Everything looks so big and very different here.
Stay close to me. There are too many people here.
Your dad and I will go buy some food.
Wait here together and do not move anywhere. Lucas, please hold this bag very carefully for me.
Me? Are you sure I can do this?
The wallet and hotel card are inside this bag.
I will be careful. I promise I will not lose it.
Do not lose it. And do not move from here.
We will be back soon, so please wait here.
Stay here and do not move anywhere at all. Look at that robot. It looks really cool. Lucas, do not go there. Stay here with me. Just 1 second. I only want to look closer. Lucas, come back now. Do not go too far. Maya? Where are you? I cannot see you. Lucas? Where are you right now? Answer me.
Where is Lucas? He was just here a moment ago.
He was here before, but then he walked away.
Stay calm, Maya. We will find him very soon.
We must search quickly. Time is very important now.
Check that side. I will look over here.
Lucas? Where are you? Please answer me.
Where is the bench? I think I am lost now. Where is Mom? I cannot find anyone here. Sorry, I did not see you. I am very sorry. Do not cry. Stay calm. You must stay calm. I should go back to the hotel by myself. I think this is the hotel. I made it here.
Hey, kid. Are you here alone right now?
No, my family is here somewhere in this hotel. I am very hungry and I feel very tired now. I will sit here and wait for my parents. Mom and Dad will come soon. I believe that. Why are they not here yet? It feels so long. Maybe they are somewhere else looking for me. I will go and try to find them by myself. Oh no! I left the key card inside the room! This is really bad. I do not know what to do. I feel hungry again, and my stomach feels uncomfortable. Maybe I can take one small piece of bread.
Hey! What are you doing in this kitchen area?
I was just really hungry.
This area is for workers only. You cannot stay here.
Go to the front desk. They can help you.
I just wanted some food because I was hungry.
Hello again. I thought I might see you here.
I got lost in the city and cannot find my family. The chef was angry at me because I took food.
Here, take these cookies. Please eat something first.
Thank you very much. This really helps me.
When children feel hungry, they may make choices they later regret.
Tell me, where is your family staying now?
I do not know where they are right now.
Do not worry. We will find your family together.
Really? You can help me find them?
My son is missing. Please help us find him.
Do not worry. We will help you find your son.
Look carefully around. They should be nearby.
Lucas! I see you! Come here right now! Mom! Dad! I missed you so much!
You are safe now.
We were very worried. You scared us so much. We were very afraid. I am very sorry. I should not leave the bench. I thought she was scary, but she helped me.
It is okay. That happens sometimes. Do not worry.
I was so scared. I could not find you anywhere.
We also made a mistake. We should stay closer.
We all learned something important today, together.
Yes, this was a very big lesson for all of us.
The food is cold now, but that is okay.
I do not care. I am just happy to be here. Me too. I am very happy we are together again.
Let us sit down and eat together as a family.
We will always protect you and stay with you.
Thank you for finding me and coming back to me. Next time, we will stay together all the time.
We will be more careful in crowded places from now.
I feel strong now, and I am not afraid anymore.
That is good. You are very brave today.
I am proud of you. You made a smart decision.
Next time, I will stay close and listen carefully. Yes, no more running away for toy robots. Okay, I promise I will not do that again.
We are together again, and that is what matters.
Family is always the most important thing in life.
Being together like this is the best place for me.